The US is investing billions in AI drones. Tesla's new supercomputers are about to make self-driving cars even more smarter. And Snapchat's new feature is turning your selfies into a fantastic work of art. All this and more in the latest AI Tech Weekly. If you thought Tesla was all about electric cars, buckle up. They're ramping up their game with not just one, but two monstrous supercomputers, with one of them boasting 10,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. Tesla's full self-driving tech is about to get a mega boost. Bottom line is, guys, Elon Musk is showering billions on AI to stay ahead of the self-driving race. Speaking of Elon Musk, he recently went live on X.com, where he showcased Tesla's full self-driving V12 and put it to a test in a live stream demo. It's using neural networks and 8 different cameras to drive like a human. Definitely something to keep an eye on. Alright, next up, the US Air Force is laying out plans for Valkyrie, an AI-powered drone fleet. With a $5.8 billion proposed budget, they're eyeing around 2,000 of these bad boys for everything from spy games to combat roles. It's still pending congressional approval, but if it gets a green light, we're talking about a game-changing fleet. Curious about what Alibaba has been up to? They're releasing 2 new AI models that can understand images and even engage in some pretty complex conversations. And get this, they're making it open source. Whether you're a researcher or a developer, Alibaba is inviting you to the AI party. Next up, Snapchat is waving its wands with its new Dreams feature. Powered by generative AI, you can now turn yourself into anything from a mermaid to a Renaissance royal. If you're in Australia or New Zealand, you're the lucky first that will be able to play around with this dream machine. Do you still love ordering pizza over the phone? Well, DoorDash noticed that about half of these old school calls go unanswered. That's why they're bringing an AI voice tech to help restaurants not miss your call or your craving. Plus, they're throwing in curated meal suggestion. ChatGPT just got a corporate makeover and it's called ChatGPT Enterprise. It's beefed up with some top-notch security, faster performance, and some slick admin features for the big leagues. Companies like Canva and PwC have already signed up. If you're in business, this version of ChatGPT is like your dream virtual assistant. Last but not least, China is putting its foot on the AI accelerator. The government just okayed companies like Baidu and SenseTime to take their AI public. It's a big leap in China's tech race against international giants, but it's not all smooth sailing. There are a few bumps like US sanctions affecting chip supply. Well, that's a wrap for this week's AI Tech Weekly. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.